How to add keyboard language on a OnePlus Nord series. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now tap any keyboard. Here by default you can see only one language by default on your phone. Long press the space bar. You can see the available language if available. To add the keyboard language, open the app drawer. Scroll down. Tap on additional settings. Tap on keyboard and input methods. Now tap on manage keyboards. Gboard is by default set the keyboard on a OnePlus device. Tap on it. Now tap on languages. Here you can see English UK is set the default keyboard language. To add the keyboard language, tap add keyboard. Now you can see list of different available languages you can set. Here we select the language for Hindi. Now here you can choose how it looks like this. Select the keyboard you want to set. Here we select this. Tap on a done button at the bottom right. Now you can see set language. To check the language add to your keyboard, open any keyboard section. Tap on it. Now long press the space bar and you can find the added language on your phone. Tap on it. Now you can see change the keyboard language. So it's quite easy to change keyboard language. You can to quickly change or add language, tap on the setting gear icon. When open any keyboard, tap on the setting gear icon. Tap on languages. Tap on add keyboard and add the language you want to use. To remove the language, tap on the pencil icon. Select the language. Tap on a trash icon to delete it. So quite easy to add or remove keyboard language on a OnePlus Nord and other OnePlus device running the Oxygen OS 40. That's it. If you like it, share it.